Hello friends, in this video we will solve the fifth question will be asked in the RHCSA exam, and this question is related to the user ownership or group ownership. So how to solve this? Let's see this. The question said that create a collaborative directory /home/admin with the following characteristics. Group ownership of /home/admin in share GRP. The directory should be readable, writable and accessible to the member of the all files and directory on the system. Files created in a /home/admin automatically have the group ownership set to the share GRP group. So let's start it. How to solve? First of all, we can open our terminal and need to create a one directory, and this directory name was the mention in the question paper. The directory name of home/home/admin. So how to create a directory? There is a one command mkdir -p/home. In the /home we need to create a admins. After creating this directory in a /home directory, we need to set a group ownership to the /home/admin directory is share GRP. So how to change the group ownership? There is one command chgrp change group share GRP and the path of our directory /home/admin. After pressing the enter, our group ownership of /home/admin is the share GRP. Then the second question is said that the directory should be readable, writable and accessible of the member of all files. So how to do that? There is one command to change the permission is chmod permission is 770. What is the meaning of the 7? 7 means readable, writable and executable for the user, group and other. Okay, then we need to go /home/admin because we need to set this permission to the /home/admin. That's why we are adding the path of our directories admins. Then pressing the enter. After that, we can also solve the next question. Files created in /home/admin automatically have the group ownership set to the share GRP. Here we can just add one number in front of our permission, and this number is a 2 number. Why we can add here 2? Because the second 2 number is indicated that a group ownership. All the files created in a /home/admin have the group ownership of the /home/admin. Okay, after pressing the enter, our third question is also solved. Here you can see that this 777 indicate that our user have the full permission, readable, writable, executed. These 7 is indicate that our group have the readable, writable and executable permission, and 0 indicate that others does not have any permission. So 770 indicates the permission. Here 2 indicates that the group ownership. Here 7 indicates that our user permission, then group permission and then other permission. So this is a very easy question, and you will get 5 to 10 marks easily. And wait for the next video. Thank you.